Pronunciation practice. You should have downloaded the 5 handouts I use in my classroom. I won't read everything to you. I'll just read a little bit of each handout. I want you to figure out the rest. The first handout. A as in cat versus as in met. Practice these contrasts. Number 1, mat, met. Number 2, sat, set. Number 3, add, ed. Now let's skip down to where it says practice these sentence pairs. Bet, bat. Did you hear about the bet I made? Did you hear about the bat I made? Pen, pan. I bought a pen yesterday. I bought a pan yesterday. Now you do the rest. Now let's look at the second handout. E as in see versus I as in it. Number 1, eat, it. 2, each, itch. 3, reach, rich. Now you do the rest. Let's look at the first 2 sentence pairs. I'm heating the pan. I'm hitting the pan. Did you sleep on the floor? Did you slip on the floor? Now you do the rest. Moving on, let's go to handout number 3. As in met versus A as in pay. Bess, base. Chess, chase. Met, mate. And now the first 2 sentence pairs. Is it the edge of the chair? Is it the age of the chair? Can you find Ed in the office? Can you find Aid in the office? You do the rest. Moving on to handout number 4. As in book versus as in up. Listen again. Book. Up. Look, luck. Took, tuck. Book, buck. Her look changed suddenly. Her luck changed suddenly. They always took the sheets in. They always tuck the sheets in. You do the rest. And finally, handout number 5. Ooh as in do versus as in book. Pool, pull. Fool, full. Luke, look. Don't pull them right now. Don't pull them right now. He whispered, fool. He whispered, full.